So there is one hidden camera setting that is ruining all the photos that you take with a Nikon D3400, and changing it would instantly improve the quality of the photos that you take. In today's video, we are doing exactly that. So go to menu, shooting menu, image quality, and change from basic or normal to fine or raw. I know, you don't always have to shoot in raw, but by shooting in raw, what you do is that you give yourself the maximum flexibility ever possible so that you can make changes to your image and then you can get quality images edited. Now, sometimes you don't nail the white balance while you are shooting in camera. A lot of the times you don't even know the exposure right. You might not expose the dark areas very well or the bright areas very well. But by shooting in RAW, you give yourself that flexibility so that you can do this post-production. And it's a difference between a pro and a beginner. If you shoot in JPEG and you don't nail everything in camera, you are almost stuck, even though you are not as 100% stuck, but you are almost stuck. And by shooting in RAW, you give yourself the flexibility and the room for you to be able to make all these amazing changes to the image. And even also by shooting in RAW, you give yourself the chance to take an ordinary image, process it, edit it, add your special touch to it, and come out with an amazing photo that represents you and your brand. So just by making this single change, you will be able to take an ordinary photo and make it look super amazing. If you want to learn how to also edit these pictures, I have a video that I made right here. You can check that one out, and I'll catch you in the very next one. Peace.